Music is the fundamental part of the Igbo culture. One can hardly define occasion for the Igbo people without mentioning the traditional music. On this occasion, Eze Ndị Igbo Kola and Okemma Nnobi, a high chief of Nnobi town in Rivers State, took to the stage. When these drums are beaten to this magnitude, any evil man seated will feel the trembling of his feet itching to display his dancing skills. This is how Shefezudo saw himself dancing in the arena. When it comes to happiness, the joy of the Igbo people have no overlaps. And it is what it is.